Hello, and welcome to my Dynascapes assignment. In this video, I will walk you through the steps we took to complete this project. Dynascapes is an industry-specific software that differs from our previous software, AutoCAD, which is a non-industry specific software. This means that Dynascapes runs and operates more specifically to the wants and needs of a landscape designer, while AutoCAD tends to the needs of any software designer. First, we start with the model space. On Dynascapes, before starting a project, you have to select the sheet size and print scale for your design. While on AutoCAD, they have a separate model space for you to select the sheet size and print scale after you've completed your drawings. For this project, we inserted the background image and properly scaled it for our project's needs. Then we moved the background image into the proper drawing area. Next, we have the polyline. On both softwares, the polyline is a very important and versatile tool used for almost any and all projects. In my opinion, I felt the Dynascapes polyline was more effective as it has grip edits. Grip edits make it so you can change the angles and direction of the polyline without needing to create a new line. Dynascapes also allowed us to create a closed polyline, which we were able to use a closed polyline to make a barrier inside certain shapes. Within these certain shapes and inside the polylines, we were able to use a hatch tool to create different types of paths, walkways, and floors for our project. Next, we have the layers. On both software programs, layers play a huge part in the organization and makeup of our projects. One main difference between them is that on AutoCAD, we had to create, label, and choose a color for all of our layers, while Dynascapes already has preset layers with colors chosen. You are also able to add more layers to Dynascapes as well. Figures are another key feature for both software programs. On Dynascapes, they have a full library already built into the program with thousands of figures to choose from. But on AutoCAD, we had to search up websites for figures and then import them onto our drawing space. In the project we did on Dynascapes, we had 5 different figures, including the car in the front driveway, the small workbench in the front of the house, the lounge chair in the backyard, the large outdoor dining space, and the backyard fire pit. Lastly, we have the plant labeling tool. This feature is specific to Dynascapes, as it has a large database of every plant, shrub, and tree you could imagine. Within our project, we used the plant labeling tool to auto-count sections of plants that we created and to label all exterior places of function throughout the project. We also used a tool called the cluster tool. This feature made it possible to cluster areas that are covered in the same plants to create better boundaries between the diverse vegetation of our projects. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation about our Dynascapes assignment.